Home decor with hand lettering, calligraphy, and stencils are unavoidable on the internet and in stores. Whether on a wall sign or a chalkboard, fonts and style combinations are endless. Even if you don't have a steady hand and flawless brushstrokes, you can still create the look yourself in no time. This episode of On the Fly DIY is sponsored in part by Rust-Oleum. You'll need a computer, a printer, and paper, carbon paper, a pencil, tape, and a chalk pen, plywood, spray paint, and a drop cloth. First, spray paint your plywood. I'm using my favorite Rust-Oleum 2X paint and primer in stone gray. Spray over a drop cloth and allow to dry. Next, edit and print your design. You can either use a cool website like Canva for a quick and easy text picture, or download all kinds of free fonts from 1001freefonts.com or dafont.com to use in an office software program. In either case, print out your text picture in your desired size. Printing in black and white ensures your text is as sharp as possible for easy copying. Place a piece of carbon paper carbon side down on your painted plywood and your text printout on top of that. Tape down so there's no accidental shifting during the copying process. Outline all of your text with a pencil. Press hard to ensure a good transfer. Time to color in the lines. Use the chalk pen to fill in your outline. With 2 coats, the pen covers the tracing marks so no one will know that you didn't just masterfully write out perfect calligraphy. Sponsored in part by Rust-Oleum. On the Fly DIY.